You just need 5 things to make these pumpkins. Fondant, awesome gel colors, a knife and a paintbrush, cloves. Color the fondant. Take your fondant, flatten it out, create a little divot in the center. Now you take your favorite color, which is gonna be pumpkin. You're gonna wanna put in maybe 3 drops. Don't ask for proportions, because I don't know. Start folding it in. The colors are already activated, so you don't have to wait for them to fully develop. With some of the colors like sage, I really like having the dark tone. I actually wanna make it a little softer, so I'm gonna pinch off a piece of that color and add it to some additional white fondant. Give me a softer, more subtle tone. Autumn gold, moss. Roll out my fondant into a nice log. Start cutting pieces. Now we roll into a ball. Taking the back of a paintbrush, press down and pull out. With your sharp knife, you're going to create a little hash mark. You break it up into 6 equal parts. It should look something like this. Now with your knife, go down the seam, continue all the way to the bottom. These are going to be the different ridges. Taking our cloves, we want to find one that's about the right size for it. We insert it, and that's how you make a perfect pumpkin. Look at all these gorgeous colors. Now, let's put them to use. Happy fall, y'all.